I just got out of the shower, my hair is still wet and I'm going to wrap it in my silk pillowcase and let it dry while I do skincare and makeup. Since I did my makeup for a long time, my hair is like 90% or even more dry now. I don't always do all of these steps, but I wanted to show you everything because you may see something I do that you may feel like will be really good for your hair. I also recommend that you sleep on a silk pillowcase. I've googled it and the protein from the silk goes in your skin and in your hair when you're sleeping at night, and the silk is so soft and silky and slippery. It's less likely to cause damage during the night. I never dry my hair with a towel. I only let the water from my hair to fall on the towel, but I don't use the towel to rub my hair with it or even to press it with. If my hair is still really wet, I would put it in a t-shirt, and once it's almost dry, I would add the silk. Because the silk is so thin, and if your hair is 100% wet, that silk is so thin, it gets super wet, so it doesn't work. On the video I showed you my hair was pretty dry, so I got it into the silk as fast as I could. It feels so nice on my head, honestly. Silk pillowcases are super expensive. Maybe you can make one for yourself, buy the silk and DIY it. I just bought some silk and a friend had this made for me. And I will show you now my hair. It already feels pretty soft because of the silk. Once a month I apply a hair growth boosting hair tonic and I massage it into my scalp. When massaging your scalp, make sure that you really get your fingers in your hair and on your scalp and really move it gently. Don't press, but just move your fingers around. That will get your blood flow going and will boost your hair growth. So that's really good in combination with the hair tonic that I just showed you. That hair tonic is a bit pricey, but you can use this if you want a cheaper version of this. And you can massage this in your roots too. That hair tonic you can find in the drugstore. I know that it's for hair loss, so if you're having hair loss, you may wanna use this every day, like a treatment. But for me, I just wanted to boost my hair growth, so I use it once a month maybe, after I wash my hair. I use a leave-in hair conditioner and I apply it all over the bleached parts of my hair. I also used shampoo, hair mask and hair conditioner from the same hair care line. I spray some shine spray on the ends. I use hair oil on my ends, only on the bleached part of my hair. This is Schauma Beauty Oil, daily care oil for dry and damaged hair, and it's by Schwarzkopf, and I only have so little left of this product. I'm going to shake it because I added several drops of argan oil and several drops of lavender oil, and now it has argan oil, I mean concentrated essential argan oil, which is the best thing you can add to your bleached hair, because I know that argan oil has a molecule that is smaller than the molecule of your hair, so it goes inside of your hair and it feeds it from the inside. And I've added the lavender oil. One thing, it's good for your hair, and two, it smells amazing. I love everything that smells like lavender, so it's a little hard to work with because I've added those oils. It's totally worth it now that I feel the lavender smell. Every time I smell lavender, I just feel so relaxed. I will continue to brush my hair with my fingers with the hair oil until I feel like I am able to actually brush my hair only with my fingers. So on this side we are almost done. Here not yet. So just some more oil and some more finger brushing. I spray some salt spray on my roots for more volume because my hair is naturally a bit flat. Finally, I spray some Thermoprotect Blow Dry Oil and I comb my hair with a super white comb. My favorite blow dryer is by Remington and I always use it on the lowest heat and air settings. I like to blow dry my hair in the opposite direction of my roots. And I like to dry my ends straight down. Now that my hair is dry, I'm going to give it a break, maybe 5 to 10 minutes, because it's still slightly warm and I want it just to cool down and relax before I continue. Now that my hair is cool, I will apply one last time some hair oil to the ends before I brush it with a hairbrush. I use that kind of brush, it's wooden. I don't use plastic or metal brushes. I divide my hair into two, bring it to the front, and I take a small piece and I start from the end. And I slowly go up. Usually I style my hair. I curl it or I straighten it. Since I used lots of salt spray, I want to style my hair to be voluminous. So I'm going to use this curling iron by Remington. You can see it's quite thick. It just makes your hair super voluminous, and it's really cool that on day 2 my hair is basically straight, but it has that nice shape. When I style my hair with this curling iron specifically, I use one more product, which is a texturizing spray. It will just give me more volume and it will give the hair more grip. You can already see the texture is amazing. It's perfect for big curling irons. I know that most people like to pin their curls while they're hot and let them cool like this, but I've tried that, it doesn't work for me, but I like to curl away from my face. I'll show you now. The iron is not turned on. I will show you just how I curl my hair just once with the cool iron, and then I will curl it. I'd like to take a vertical section, pull it away from my face, and then I open the clip. And I do this a little so that the hair gets a little warm. Clip it here and I twist it away from my face. I take the end, and while I'm holding the end, I open the curling iron, drag it down a little, and then I do this again. So you wait that this hair gets a little warmer, then you unwrap a little, and then when you reach here, this is how I get the volume in my roots. I'm going to put the setting right around the middle. I got hungry and I went to eat, and I had done only the 2 pieces in front of my face and I totally forgot and put them behind my ears and they got ruined. So, but I want to show you, see that volume? That's what will be left on the next day, and that's what I really like about this curling iron, that it gives you that nice volume here. I will do my hair now. I have found that for my hair it's best if I just don't touch them. Just let the curl go gently and don't touch it. Let it go. That's what works best for my hair. Honestly, when I pin the curls, I think that I ruined them. When you retouch a piece, it gets a lot more curly, so with this curling iron I like to touch up some pieces on day 2. That was my wet to dry hair routine. I hope that you found value in this video. If you have any questions or you just wanna share something with me, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, I hope you're having a wonderful day and I will see you soon. If you want to see more hair and beauty videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Bye!